Hey, so I'm gonna do a quick speed run of setting up a minimal storybook. And all you need to do that is a couple of packages and a project that you already have set up. So I'm gonna set one up now by just running bun create vite, and I'll do a quick React project with TypeScript. I'm gonna run bun install in here, and that should get me ready to add Storybook. Now, there's a couple of packages we want to add. The most important ones are this Storybook package and the framework that you're using. If you're using a different front-end framework, then you would swap these out. So once I have those, I'm going to go into my new project and I'll add some scripts to the package JSON. The ones that we need are Storybook dev and Storybook build. And that looks like this. And these will all be in a blog post that accompanies this video. Then we need to add a Storybook folder, .storybook. And this will hold our config files. And we'll add main.ts and preview.ts. And I'll just copy in the content. Again, you can get this from the blog post. And I'll put in the preview. There we go. So now that I've got this config set up, we need a story in order to see something. In Storybooks, I'll just add a new button component. And it's just going to be something to render literally anything to the screen and show the basics of Storybook. So if I now add in a story file here, then we'll see that when I run Storybook, I'm gonna see this lonely button in my stories. So I'm gonna bring it over here. You can see that I've just got a simple button here, and I can update the text of the button. And that's all you need for a very simple Storybook. So you'll see I have a stories file, main TS, preview TS, and these packages here. Storybook, Storybook React, Storybook React Vite, and add-on essentials. Add-on essentials is probably optional, but you won't get the best out of Storybook without having at least this set of add-ons, as that's the controls and so on. So hopefully that helps you. This is the simplest setup you can do with React, and if you wanted to use a different framework, you would just swap out some of these packages. Thanks.